And I don't smoke, and I don't like the smell of cigarettes, but man, all these people that don't smoke are so ruthless to cigarette smokers now. They don't even pretend. They're like... The smugness I can't stand, not having compassion on these people. Man, if I smoked cigarettes, I'd come up with a new way to smoke, so people would leave me alone, because they're not used to it. Yes, I see what you're saying. People be like, that's cool, whatever you want to do. That's Suck it in from new spots now and again, that freak people out. Yes, I see what you say, we'll work on those stocks, yes. That was dumb, that was dumb. It's weird though, because something magical happened? I don't know what you're talking about, but here's what I want to do. I just want to go to all these non-smokers who are so unhelpful to these cigarette smokers. And what I'd like to do, I'd like to have smoke just suddenly start pouring out of my face, but have no cigarette. Because then they wouldn't know what to do. They just think their head would explode. They would freak. They wouldn't know what. Could you imagine that being the all bunch of non-smokers and suddenly you can make smoke shoot out of your mouth? Could you imagine? No, that's why you pay to see me. All right. Everybody's a non-smoker, and then me. Ding. Yeah. All right, let me get this straight. I just took a lit cigarette, bit it in half, had smoke shooting out of my face for like 2 minutes, had 4 people clap, and the rest just sat there like, oh yeah, Grandma does that every Thanksgiving. I had to come to Muncie, Indiana to find a crowd that's seen everything. Are you having any fun at all tonight?